Welcome class third. We were doing chapter number 5 adverb. So I have told you about adverb. So adverb are the words which are saying about something about verb. It means they are giving extra information about verb. As I have told, means adverb equals to add plus verb, means whatever things are adding, whatever the word is adding to describing something more about the verb is called adverb. Now write today's date and we will do for more exercises which are left in chapter number 5. So write today's date and your exercise is true or false. So this exercise I am going to do from page number 50. Now look at the exercise. The plane moves slowly as compared to a car. So plane is moving slowly or car? Car. So it is a false sentence. False. A rabbit hops quickly but tortoise is slow. Yes, it is true. C is the computer works more accurately than a man. Yes, true. Young people work more swiftly than old. Yes, true. Now this exercise you will do in your copy. Now here, what is the next one? Underline the adverb in the above statement. So here statements are written, you will underline the adverb. There is a trick, most of the adverb are having ly at the end. So underline the adverb: slowly, quickly, slow, accurately, swiftly. These are. So here, old people walks what? Slowly. Walks slowly. You have to use these underlined words here. Some astrologers forecast accurately. Do in book. In traffic jam you cannot move swiftly. Women cook more quickly than men. Now the next exercise 4 from page number 51, do in a book. In book only. She always talks. From here you have to check, and in these words you will add ly at the last and then you will write here. She always talks harshly. 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 He finished his work hastily, means very fast. My teacher listened my problem patiently. She treated her maid servant carelessly. The speaker finished his entire speech happily. Okay. Now the next exercise, do in a copy. In copy after doing this exercise. First you will do this exercise in your copy, then this. So here you will make pot. In the pot you will write these and these words which are written here. So then you will find out the words which need ly to make adverb and the words which do not need ly to be a adverb. So here the words which need ly, quick. So quickly, quick is the word which need ly, quick. Direct, so we can write directly, that's why this is a word which need ly. Careful, carefully, so careful is a word which need ly. Hardly, so hard here we will write. And the next, the which are the remaining, we will write here. Dutiful, dutiful. Fast, merciless, and smart. Next exercise from page number 52. Do in book. Arrange these jumble words. This one is tomorrow. Tomorrow. This is grammar. GRAMMAR. Wednesday. WEDNESDAY. Travel. TRAVEL. Write. WRITE. So here you will add full and then you will write the proper words. If there is a change, then you will write this. You do yourself. Do yourself. Now pronunciation. These words are not having EA sound. Here this will be which are underlined, these are silent, and these words are showing a sound. So this is cup, not cup or any other word. Cup. Tub. Bus, direct we will say. Love. Hut. Rub. Come. Some. Cut. This is a sound. Cap. Tap. Band. Bag. Hat. Rat. Candle. Sam. Sat. Cat. So everyone pronounce these words and complete your work.